Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important feature of MS Excel. I'm not sure how many of you are aware. There's a very important feature in Office 365 where you can use that feature and it can auto-populate all those pivot table. It will give you suggestions like which data, how your data looks like, what is the significant data and how you need to do it. So uh, how it does with the artificial intelligence. So let's quickly see what all these options, right? So I have this data for COVID-19 situation, right? So I have just downloaded from the website. So let's see what you need to do. You could take any kind of data, but I just put this for a sample, right? So what you need to do, you have to go in home. So once you go in home, you have to click here on the ideas, right? So once you click over there, it would be start processing. So let's see what it's saying, analyzing your data. So just see it just automatically picked all those bits, right? Okay. So now it has done with this, and if you let me just do it bit more, right? So it would be more clear. Okay. Yeah. So if you see here, what it says, death by countries and territories. So if you see there, USA that has a lot of the death. So all these it has provided all these suggestions. So like this one is then yeah, population data 2018 by month. So that's the one. Then you have all these. You see the population data 2018. That's for population bit. So if you're not, if you don't think that something is significant, you can ignore all bits. So GOID, like we all see, US cases has say noticeably higher cases. So it has I think lots of cases, right? So it's clearly showing in the graph. If you want, you can insert in the pivot chart. All right. So all this, if you do not have any knowledge of pivot chart, you can use these ideas and say if you just click here, see it has generated the pivot chart and it has generated all those graphs, right? So what I want to show you that yeah, it can generate with the AI, and yeah, if you want to use, you can just put insert and you could use it straight away. So right, so similarly, so what is showing that 36 results. Let's see what all other these. Okay, let's go back to on data and all right, let's call up. Okay, so all right. So month four. So we know that April months account for majority of this, so that we all know. And yeah, it's showing all those projections, which so you could also say is this helpful. So yeah, you could put comment or yes or no, so that once it process the data, it would show you the better results, right? And all this frequency. Okay, so if you see here for GeoID IT is for Italy. So we know that case is showing a repeating pattern over data date rep, right? So here date rep is when all these cases are started over there. So yeah, okay. So that would show you all these results in this way, right? So all these graphs are automatically generated. Whichever you want, you could insert. Say if you say that the population bit, right? So over and all, what I want to be very clear here that if you want, you could use this ideas feature, and you could generate your graphs. You could generate pivot tables even if you don't have any knowledge of that, right? So I hope yeah, you find something useful, right? So like, share, and subscribe my channel for all those latest video updates. So thanks for watching. Bye.